Hi, this is Missy Stegers with M. Stegers Realty Partners on a beautiful, beautiful Friday around lunchtime, stopping by to check out one of my properties for my seller, and wanted to share this with you. It is such an awesome place. It's out here in Pipe Creek, over 3,800 square feet. Did a price drop recently down to $799,900, and it's one of those rare gems that you just have to share with people because it's so amazing. The peace and quiet out here is truly amazing, but in addition to that, you can hear every bird chirp. There's wildflowers on the drive, and I want to take you through this because I think it's a hidden treasure that most people don't realize that you can find out here on acreage. And so I just walked in the front door, and you have this amazing view that you get to see out their windows. It is a really, really nice custom built home with lots of extra features, as you can see, with all the rock work that is in this house. Super high ceilings, which is beautiful. Really nice rockwork fireplace as well. And then we have lots of extras, really cool stuff. It's not your average house, which is why I wanted to share this with you all. Got an amazing kitchen with lots of built-ins, really pretty granite. And in addition to that, all your stainless steel, so forth. Huge breakfast pantry kitchen area bar, which is pretty cool. And then I want to take you outside because this is what is the most awesome part of this home. As we walk outside, we're going to see that we have, as I showed you through the windows, an absolutely stunning look forever view down into the valleys. And then you have this incredible backyard with in-ground pool, seating area, the mountain views, plenty of room for kids to come play, all of those things. Love this house, absolutely love it. $799,000, and that's it for all of this. I'll take you back in real quick and just show you a little bit of the master bath. And we will be putting together a video on this that we will share with a lot more detail. But just wanted to take a few minutes here on Facebook Live and share one of those hidden treasures. If you know anybody that wants to live in the country and have this kind of custom quality home, this would be a good one to bring them to. Again, like I said, it's got a lot of just really neat features that you don't often see. Look at this master bathroom with the tub, all the stacked dry rock, and hopefully it's coming across. I realize I'm doing this live, so the lighting probably isn't that great, but pebble work in the shower. You've got the shower head plus the rain shower up there. You've got really nice copper bowls. And again, really unique granite, plenty of storage, all of those things. It's on 1583 Goat Ridge in Pipe Creek. You can look it up online as well, but encourage you to take a look at it. And if you know of anybody that's looking for what I call a true country retreat, this would be it. Hope everyone has a great day. And thanks for checking out my house here on 1583 Goat Ridge.